How to change bank account in Apple Wallet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account in Apple Wallet. So first, open your Apple Wallet. So once you're in, find your Apple card and tap on it. So this will take you to the card page where you can see your balance and recent transactions. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. So this will show you a list of options. Now, select card details. So once you're on the card details page, scroll down until you find the bank account sections. Here, you will see any link accounts. So if you want to remove an existing account, just select it. Then, if you want to add a new bank account, tap on Add Bank Account and follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank details. After you have made your changes, your new bank account will be linked to your Apple Card and Apple Wallet. You can do this as often as you like. So I hope this video helped you to learn how to change your bank account in Apple Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.